So today I'm going to make a fingerboard out of cardboard.
But you have a friend in me. Redirect.
I'm gonna use these paperboards. It is a pressed cardboard with no airspace in between. Perfect for making the deck. You can also use cereal boxes. They are quite similar. I am making 3 pieces of 2.7 and 9.5 cm to give it thickness.
Redirect.
Now I am gonna glue them together.
Redirect.
I am using a circular object to cut off its edges.
But you have a friend in me. Redirect.
I'll remove the edges using this sharp blade.
Redirect. Redirect your energy.
Now it's time for sanding to make the edges smooth.
Friend indeed. Redirect. Redirect.
The deck turned out pretty cool, also super strong. Now it's time to make the base of wheels. I'm cutting these small pieces which I'm gonna use as base to lift up the wheels and glue them together. After completely drying, it turned out pretty strong. To make the kick turns, I'm simply bending the ends. Now it's time to make the wheels. I'm taking a refill from a pen and will cut it half the width of the deck.
This right here is sold here. East PA, the city, born and raised, I got the gold here. All my brothers with me like we shooters, boy, we coded. I'ma buy a mansion for my
Now
mama
I need
'cause
to
it's
find 2
gold
nails which
here.
are exactly the size of the width.
Living, that's the goal here. Hey, way we living, man, let's go here. Yeah, need a penny for my gold here.
The refill should let the nail rotate freely inside it.
Living off a dream, I'm taking aim, I need to go.
To make the wheels, I'm cutting 4 strips of 0.5 cm.
Driving through the city looking reckless, I'm a mean green machine.
Now I'll glue the strips and roll it on the tip of the nail. For the second wheel, I'll insert the refill, then roll the paper strip.
I got me and army from the king, so state your business, please. I'm a shooter with that word like oh, like oh, like oh, oh, oh.
The wheels are moving smoothly. My editor seems to be sleepy.
You have a lot of work to do. But you make it. That's like this, yeah, I swear that I
I'll paint the base of the wheels white.
Time, but I'm always moving too fast. So this summer, man, I swear I'm about to lay back. Like, this summer, man, I'm
Now it's time to tape the edges.
I don't want no pressure, want no smoke. I just wanna chill up at the house and somehow still get money cause I'm broke. Talk about the life I live. I don't play.
I'm painting the deck with base colors.
Yeah, I put my foot on the gas, I got one more than that's fast, yeah. I keep his word on the dash, I keep his word on the dash. How I gon' keep on
While the
dash,
paint dries,
I
let's
do not
sketch
carry
the
no
design
cash.
on deck.
I'd rather carry a mech, yeah, to put all the hate in the waste. I just wanna be the best.
I'm
Been
using
giving
crazy
them sign,
graphite
all of them
technique.
wanna go protest. Been giving a hot that just beat on my chest. Boxing me in like the feel of the test. No, they can't see me, guess they gon' guess. Check on your mate, just like it's tests. I dress for success while they dress to impress. Devil be plotting, don't wish them the best. Like
Now
ooh,
it's time
I
to
got a
paint the
father, his
design.
name is Jesus. I ain't from this world, so why you make me choose? Ain't got no debt cause he paid all my dues. I ain't feel no debts cause we ain't gonna lose. I hear the trumpet, I hop on my shoes. Holding my Yeezys, I'm gon' need a boost. My dog has been blue and he ain't got a clue. God has been with him like straight out of womb. Straight out of
Let's add
I'm
some
speaking
black
straight facts, I
lines.
ain't made 'em up. Why they speaking straight trash? I ain't man enough to rebuke all they lies and then call they bluff. Yeah, I've been dripped down from head to toe. God is my boast and antidote. They hit a
And I'm done with the design.
All my brothers with me like we shooters, boy, we coded. I'ma buy a mansion for my mama cause it's golded. Say my boys is tripping.
Now I'll apply mod podge to secure the paint. Well, you can skip this part.
Yeah, need a penny for my gold here. Love it friendly, boy, let's go here.
Let's untape.
Dream, I'm taking aim, I need to go. I ain't playing with it no more. You just tripping, this is kicking. That's the
Now
whole
I'll
talk.
paste the wheels
I
with
told
super
my
glue.
mama at the guy, you
And we are
next
done to
up.
do some epic
Come
fingerboard
in with
tricks.
them is a channel, boy, I'm next up. I told
turned out delicious.
Who you kidding? I ain't got it, now you messed up. I got the backing of the Father, boy, I'm blessed up.